to the ring. Starting off with the fighter from Bangkok, Thailand. Let's give it up for Pim Chatot Ten Shanda.
Si Pulis po sana yun.
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko ba, nakapimay pa.
Pulis.
And her opponent, ladies and gentlemen, fighting out on the red corner. She is the reigning Philippine light flyweight champion, fighting out of Colombia, Misamis Oriental. Let's give it up for Althea Shine Porres.
Oh, boy. Ako maglaki. Oh, lagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed, we would also like to recognize we actually have 180 pounds, professional record, 9 wins, 6 defeats, and 6 of those wins came by way of knockout. She is the former WBC and IPO regional champion from Bangkok, Thailand. Let's give it up for Pim Chatot Ten Shanda. And her opponent across the ring fighting out on the red corner. Official weight 108 pounds. Professional record, she is undefeated in 5 bouts with 1 bout even and 1 KO. She is the reigning Philippine light flyweight champion, but that title is not on the line tonight. Fighting out of Colombia, Misamis Oriental from PMI Mahal Boxing Stable, Althea Shine Porres. Judge Angelito Pequeno will now, or referee Angelito Pequeno will now give instructions to our boxers.
Buko pa nagkasugod mo.
Meron kami.
Nagka-break.
Nga na yung big sa unang pa-rounder.
Asa man?
Sa una.
Asa lagi nga pa.
Oh, sa pulo sa linga, sa linga, wala sa unang din mo na.
Okay, let's fight. Alright, Thailand versus Philippines. Hindi lang kayo maklaro kayo, layo. Yun, bisa na. Let's go. Yan, pagoy, bawas po. Igog na. Yun, nadukot. Yun, sa kilid. Tamaan din siya kon, galing din. Ayan. Tamaan sa kuto-kuto. Bagsak. Bagsak ang Thailander. Tamaan sa kuto-kuto. Agoy, agoy. Di galing kabarog. Di galing kabarog. 1 round. Wa kabarog ko na 1 round nandito. Nasungkit ang iyang kilid. Di lang ito mapagbiyo ang iyang wag yun sa niya pagsungkit to.
Diha po man ito'y kaduwa na
Nadukot man ang isang kilid. Wala siya kabantay. Pilo dito ang kilid ba? Matik na to, daog na to.
We have the second fastest knockout in PMI Mahal Boxing Promotions history. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, the official result with official time of 33 seconds of the first round. Your winner by way of knockout, Althea Shine Porres.
Karidyo.
Tapos na, ito ang pangyayahan kontra. Lungkod doon, maglisod og barog, sakit na sa tiyan. Okay na, okay na. Uli,
Bata po man. Nimuro pa man siguro ni 16.
uli na sa Thailand.
Na, tagawa lang daw.
Uli.